The place is very clean, so I think this is a room also. Our room is other side, so the playground like that, guys, very beautiful. This is a pool, and then a restaurant. The good one, guys, you can book, all is included: drinks, food, snack, so even alcohol, guys, if you like drink alcohol. So this is a park, very beautiful. It's a nice decorate, very beautiful. It's a very big place. So you see, wow, it's very big place. So we will stay here for 2 weeks, our holiday. I think this is the last holiday we make this year, because my next holiday I have also extra 3 weeks, because 1 week we use already in the Spain, then the last time January, and then the second holiday is this time 2 weeks, and then I still have a 3 weeks holiday, the September holiday and December. So we decide to stay home, so because we will prepare again for the next holiday next year to go Philippines, but we will see. Oh, nice, very beautiful place. You can sit, they have also chair. Christoph also make a video. So if you remember, I told you before, September, then we was in the Spain. They also have a very big hotel. So the beautiful is, I mean, the place is totally next to the beach. In here, natural. Of course, this is a first day here. We arrived yesterday evening and 9:30. So that's why today is a first day. We have no much planning for today, because we want to look around first the area, and then we want to search where is the beach. So I think the beach is over there, so many people going there. Wow, it's very big area. I was working before from the Austria hotel. This is a Geinberg, this is a Beetle hotel, but this area is more big, because they also have an extra park that you can stay. This is a fountain, then the right there is not allowed for swimming. I think this is one of the view point also of this area. Wow. So, gusto ko talagang ipakita yung mga view dito, as I said, para naman at least ma-witness nyo, di ba? So, katulad ng nanay ko, so hindi na siya makakabiyahe ng malayo, of course. Of course, mga ate ko, I think have a chance. Pero, yung nanay, so mahirap na makaabot dito. So, kaya naman, sa pamamagitan lang ng video, mapapanood niya yung kung saan ako nakakaabot. So marami silang trabahador yan, oh. Naglilinis. Minimintin talaga nila yung ganda. Love, I think the beach is over there. Can we go there? Okay. Yan, oh. Ito yung Bongali room. But, yeah. Hindi kami nag-research kung magkano kasi ibang room binigay sa amin. Apply kasi kami sa travel agency. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
The beach is over there? Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Ayan. Marami silang rooms dito. Yan o, bungalow. Next to the beach. Sobrang ganda, no? Yan yung mga bungalow room. Before the beach. So, yung room natin, malayo siya sa beach. Doon sa kabila. So, kung titignan mo yung view, ganun siya. Yan. Ayan, ngayon, wala tayong prepare swimming kasi nga first day natin. Alamin muna natin, kumbaga kilalanin muna natin yung lugar bago tayo mag-iikot. Hello! So, nilinis din nila yung so, ganun siya kalaki, guys. Sobra talagang laki ng hotel na to. Tapos, ang daming rooms. Mga bungalow, ang dami. Talagang ayayamanin. At good one also, guys. Kasi nga, syempre, Muslim ako, diba? Muslim kami. So, si Chris, syempre, convert na rin siya sa Muslim. So, the good one, yung restaurant, guys, halal. So, this is an advantage for the Muslim. Yan. Halal siya. Kaya hindi ka matatakot na eat all you can. Kasi nga, wala siyang halong pork. So, ganyan siya kalaki, guys. Grabe. Sobrang ganda. Kaya, sulit talaga yung we decide to make a 2 weeks holiday. So, yan. Sulit talaga. Kasi pag 1 week lang, talagang manghihinayang ka. Bakit 1 week lang yung binook, diba? So, 2 weeks. Pwede kong ma-recommend na balik-balikan. Hello! Good morning! Can you speak English? Okay. So guys, this is the beach. Usually kung nakikita nyo, mga trabahador nila dito puro lalaki. Wala akong nakita ang babaeng nagtatrabaho. Puro mga lalaki. Mga nagtatrabaho. Hindi ko alam. Kasi nga, ayan o, next to the beach, yung bungalow na room. Pero may, really? Nice. Yung lunch daw dito. So, dito yung lunch time. Aha. Yan o. Strand Regal. Yung beach rules nila. Please do not touch, collect, remove, or damage coral shell or any marine life. Please do not feed the fish. Please do not walk on the reef table. Fishing and any form including spear fishing is prohibited. Swim at your own risk. Guests who do not obey the resort rule can be prosecuted under the Egyptian law. So, napaka-strict din siya, guys. Dapat basahin talaga kung ano yung mga bawal dito. So, walang nagbabantay sa kanila. So, it means ayan. Ito yung beach nila. Wow. Sobrang laki, guys. Ay. I recommend nyo talaga pag naghalidi kayo sa Egypt, i-try nyo talagang i-search ito, Marwah Azur Resort. So, napakaganda. At pwede kayong mag-book ng all included, guys. Sobrang laki ng area. May enjoy ka. Yung 2 weeks mo, parang gusto mo na lang mag-stay dito everyday. Ayan yung beach, next to the beach. You also can walk going there in the middle of the sea. Look. They also have like this. So, ang mangyayari, iitim talaga tayo nito. Diba, maitim na nga, iitim pa. So, syempre, yung mga puti dito, gustong-gusto yan nila magbilad sa araw. Kasi gusto nilang mangitim. Hindi naman nangingitim. Nasusunog lang yung balat. Tapos puputi again. So, ganyan, oh, kaganda siya. Pwede kang maglakad hanggang doon. And then, ayan. So, wala rin nagbabantay sa kanila kasi nasabi niya, kung mag-swimming ka is on your, wala silang, kumbaga, you must be careful when you want to swim. Yun, ibang beach na yun siguro. Ibang hotel naman. Here we are here.